What's up, design family, and welcome back to another episode of The Office Expansion, a mini series on the FittDesign channel where we've been taking you guys through our office expansion over the last 3 months. We're nearly at the end of the journey, and I wanted to share this episode because number one, we haven't updated you in almost 3 to 4 weeks, and there's a lot that has changed. I wanted to run through it in a quick episode, and this is pretty much the most chaotic that you're gonna see the expansion site. And I wanted to document that for the end episode, the finale, which is going to be phenomenal. So 4 key things have happened over this past 3 weeks. Number one, we have all of the electrical done. The ACs are all in and tested. Number two, we're currently getting the glass in, all of the framing, and pretty much now we're gonna see the divisions, the partitions of all the spaces start to go up. 3, all of the tiling is done. We have 3 different parts of the office with different tiles. We have this white, beautiful Spanish porcelain tile, which you can't see right now, but we'll cut some B-rolls off the tiles so you can see them. We have this black tile, which again, you can't see because it's covered with painters, whatever the painters use to protect the tile. And then in the kitchen or in the bathroom, we have this beautiful, medium, cool gray tile that is going up and across the walls. Again, beautiful. We'll cut to a B-roll of that. Hopefully Jean can get it. But I wanted to take you guys through the main component of what's happened, the paint. So in this office, we have 3 different types of paints. We have what is known as like non-cosmetic paint. So anywhere that we're gonna have furniture builds over, we just have this beautiful flat white paint and we'll cover it. So anywhere where you can't see, we've actually gone ahead and really done it up to make sure that in the office or in the future, if we wanna remove that piece of furniture, that we can just paint over it and it's gonna look as consistent as possible with the rest of the office. In here, we have this beautiful textured black waxy paint, and we actually had them redo this wall 4 times to really get the texture that we wanted. It was extremely difficult. In some areas, we noticed that there was too much texture, in other areas, too little texture, and it was a quite difficult process, but the painters did a great job, and here we are. This is going to be our new photo shoot studio, and as you can see as well, they're beginning to frame everything. And then if you guys follow me in here, this again is all of our tiling is done. The space is pretty messy right now, but again, I wanted to document this because it's really going to change over the next couple of days. We actually have all of the furniture builds completely done and they are waiting to put them in. So we have this beautiful L-shaped desk over here. We have these utility workstations over here. Same thing with the other office space. We've actually purchased a bunch of beautifully done frames that we're going to be putting up here in this grid of 9, sort of mimicking the Instagram feed. And we also have the same thing in the break space. We have the same sort of wall where it's a historical look at all of our main posts that we've done. As you guys may or may not know, FittDesign is extremely tied to like our Instagram page and sort of how I started posting on there. So I wanted to pay homage to that and just to keep that as a part of the company's history. And again, all of the ACs are in, they've been tested, they've been tried, and each space has its own AC unit with its own mechanical system just to make sure everything is going to be as comfortable as possible for our team. And yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. I wanted to share a quick update to keep everyone in the loop. If you guys are tuning into this series and are enjoying it, it's just a way for us to document the things that we're so passionate and so thankful for, and to keep you guys in as part of the loop. We really appreciate you guys tuning into these episodes. If you guys want to see other types of content, right, educational content, don't worry, that is coming this week. Back to posting twice a week. And again, thank you guys so much for tuning in to this episode of FittDesign TV. Until next time, stay awesome.